Being a doctor, being able to help someone, take away their pain, even if it's just for a while, helping to cure an illness, I think is a very noble job. And the main purpose of me doing this is because I have a goal. I would like to provide quality and affordable healthcare to those who cannot access them in the future. So that is one of the goals why I really would like to become a doctor.
When I told people that I want to be a doctor, they kept saying that it's going to be difficult.
Tough.
Painful.
Stressful.
I wanted to study medicine in a place where I could enjoy learning how to help people. I have a passion for this, and I just felt it doesn't need to be painful. I felt I learn better if I enjoy the process and have fun pursuing my passion. I can really do that here.
QIU's medical program provides avenues for students from around the world to become full-fledged doctors. Our industry-refined curriculum is recognized by many international medical councils across South Asia. This means our graduates can freely practice medicine in the region. We have opened a pathway for our students to build careers in the United States by attuning our curriculum to USMLE standards. Our teaching, learning, and assessment methods comprehensively prepare our students for this examination. Likewise, our students can sit for the United Kingdom Medical Licensing Assessment, as QIU is listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools. This will allow them to practice medicine in the UK and other countries that accept this qualification.
Our comprehensive curriculum is designed and updated with input from various medical industry leaders, ensuring our students are kept abreast of the latest trends and developments. Experts from international medical schools provide insights on the best learning methods based on what they observe today. Education is no longer about memorizing or thinking inside a box. It should give students something to understand and explore. They learn to cross-examine and solve problems based on case studies. This trains them to think critically and adapt quickly, which is what's needed in the working world. The overall goal is to make them learn by doing. Throughout their years at QIU, we want them to gain hands-on experience of what it means to be doctors.
Students are given early clinical exposure in years 1 and 2. Lessons are made as interactive as possible, incorporating problem-based learning and hospital visits. Medical students are also taught entrepreneurship and communication skills, which broaden their horizons and give them a new perspective on practicing medicine. We are elevating the relationship between teacher and student. Our lecturers are coaches. Instead of delivering monologues based on theoretical dogma, they coach students to improve their individual weaknesses. They act as guardrails for the organic and holistic process of learning. It is their duty to get the best out of each student. Students are taught in smaller groups, which fosters a sense of community and allows for greater immersion in their lessons, while also sharpening their problem-solving skills. We want them to learn for themselves and not absorb information passively.
Our facilities are designed to mirror those in the industry, giving them a taste of the career they are about to enter. If possible, we want to minimize culture shock as much as we can. From the outset, we surround them with experiences that replicate the world of medicine, so they can learn to deal with its challenges.
These facilities also host international medical conferences, illustrating their alignment with industry standards. During their clinical years, students are offered elective specialty-based clinical postings, including in geriatrics and palliative care. These postings expand their skill sets and potentially open up more career pathways in the future. QIU students can undertake clinical postings in general hospitals and health clinics around the state. Our goal is to equip them with foundational knowledge to the point that they're comfortable making crucial decisions. Medicine is advancing every day, so young doctors will have to adapt continuously throughout their careers.
I really understand why we do the things we do in medicine instead of just being told what to do in theory. It helps me to absorb the information and become comfortable with the essential concepts.
Our students and academics truly shine when given the chance to showcase their talents. QIU gives them opportunities to join national and regional competitions, where they regularly place ahead of their peers from public and private universities. This allows us to punch above our weight. It also helps them build their networks, exposes them to the spotlight, and instills in them a commitment to hard work.
For me though, what's really unique here is how they go above and beyond to help the students. At the best of times, studying medicine is tough. Without help, it can be nearly impossible to deal with the times when you struggle.
At the Faculty of Medicine, we ensure that our students are guided to success. If a student is struggling, our lecturers will seek them out and uncover the source of the problem. We will work with them until they are back on track. Leaving no one behind is among the universal principles of healthcare. We treat our patients accordingly, so why should we do otherwise for our students? Ours is a proven approach. We are proud of our students, who are touching lives and hearts across the country. Our graduates have also furthered their careers in Australia, Ireland, and the US.
In the end, there are a lot of things we can say about medical school. But whenever things get complicated, I go back to the reason I'm here. I want to help people, and to be able to do so, I need a university that will help me to become the best doctor that I can be.